Hey, my friends, how you guys doing? I figured I'd stand in front of this pretty tree and talk to you for a second. Uh, Gardens here are out of control. There's going to be a lot of work on those. You know, the whole thing about moving to a new place is that there's a lot of work in many different ways. Well, I don't know. I guess I'm getting stronger. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about custom models and doing work for you on YouTube. You know, my life has changed pretty drastically over the last few years. When I started making videos for YouTube, I had been, you know, I was at a point where I had writer's block. I didn't want to write articles no more. I felt unfulfilled by writing articles. And the video thing became kind of easy, became a way that I could once again share my work. So how I made my money back then was with custom model building for a few laser cutting get-ups. And that was fun, you know, that was my goal in life at the time. But, you know, as things go, you know, it was fun while I was doing it in private, but once I started putting it on YouTube, you know, the internet responds to you. You know, that 2 to 3% of the internet that sounds like it's 90. And you know, it kind of got in the way of me building my custom work. And you know, in one way I think that that's a blessing, because I'm kind of happier now. You know, now I get like 2 to 3, maybe 4 customers in a year. And you know, that's good enough. And the rest of the time I get to build stuff for you. You know, I get kits to review from time to time. Ron, see how this kit comes together. I share it with you. I don't share the little flaws I find in the kit because it's an in-production kit. You know what I mean? And sometimes it's a kit that's already being sold and, you know, they're looking for a review, but I'm not really going to review a kit because nobody builds like me. You know, like nobody builds like the next guy. Everybody builds in their own way, and if I build a kit and review it, that's going to tell the modeler that they're going to build it that way. And the instructions are explained in a raw wood kit. How does that work? Doesn't work. So the thing is, I think my point is, at the end of this spiel, is that I really appreciate where I am these days. You know, being able to build kits. I got a kit that's in here that we just got all laser cut up for Todd Walton. It's got a great story. Like, I'm racking my brain how to put this video to the YouTubes, man. Like, it's gonna be an epic build. It's actually gonna be there might be some controversy too, you never know. There might be stiff people left in this world, I don't know. Anyways, I just wanted to say how appreciative I am of the things that, you know, are easy in my life. You know, as I'm moving my house 2 hours away from my previous house, it's, you know, like moving belongings, you know what I'm talking about, yo. It's a lot of work. And in between that, a lot of work, are little moments where I can come into the shop and build this kit, the grist mill kit, and enjoy what I'm doing. Man, you know, you're working, carrying stuff you shouldn't be carrying, your back is crap, you're like, ugh, my back, I'm so old. And, you know, being able to do this YouTube thing is like something I appreciate a lot, and you guys are the reason it happens. Like, because if I got no views, it just wouldn't happen at all. It'd be like wasting my time. The old lady wouldn't see anything, and it would be I'm behind. Anyways, so I want to thank you. Patreon.com/Ron Perry. You know what to do. Please like and subscribe. Click that bell. Talk to you later. Yo.